What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is a super exciting video because we are picking up a new build. It is something unique, something different, and something we've been really wanting to build. We do got about 11 hours to Texas, so we want to go ahead and get on the road and we'll catch you guys there. Guys, man, this thing is so sick. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe we finally got a kit car. You guys haven't seen the Cobalt yet. We're about to show you guys. It's pretty badly injured, but it's gonna be perfect for us, I think.
That thing is mangled.
It's mangled, but it's gonna be an awesome transformation. Wait till you guys see it. We're about to load it up and we're gonna talk about it. Alrighty guys, so we got everything loaded up. We got the parts car and we got the kit car with all the supplies inside the truck, and we are ready to head back home. We got a long drive, so let's go ahead and start heading back. Alrighty guys, so we officially made it back home. It is raining, but man, we're gonna try to figure out how we want to get this sucker off of here. What do you think, forklift?
I think we're gonna grab the forklift and just go through these doors right here and through this window and just pick it up.
Scoop it up, man.
Scoop it up.
That frame we can carry, because you've seen how them got with four people they carried it.
It's really light. It's a really light frame. So we're gonna probably go ahead and get the forklift ready. Hopefully we can get it started, because that thing just does not want to start sometimes. And fork this thing off of it, put it in front of our garage right here, and put that kit car inside our shop. So let's go ahead and start working, because I'm excited to start working, but I think our forklift is actually stuck back there in the dirt.
Yeah, let's go pull it out with the Jeep. Man, this rain kind of sucks, but you know what? I'm still excited about the new build. It's cold, guys. The forklift ain't running properly, but hopefully we can get this sucker off of here. Man, this sucker was crazy hauling it back because it like kind of shifted to the left. Yeah. Look at that rear end, it's just like hanging off, but luckily we made it back safe, didn't lose any turbocharged Cobalts here.
Yeah, it was crazy.
So we're gonna go ahead and unstrap it, and then we're gonna try to get the forks probably through the roof like he said, and try to get this sucker off of here. Yeah.
Just get it off.
Dang, man. Tell him what's the problem.
Forklift won't go in reverse. We're just gonna lift it up for now, drive this trailer out the way, and then we're gonna set it back down on the ground.
Gotta unchain it, and we actually got to pull this forklift with that Jeep because the reverse gear went out or something crazy. I don't know. Man. I think this thing needs to retire. We need to retire our old fork here. It got us forward into our position, so now we're gonna take the forklift away, drop the cage and all the stuff inside the garage there. All right, we're good there. It'll go forwards though. It's coming in hot. This is where she died. Right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and pull the roll cage inside with all the parts, and we're gonna give you guys some more information about what's going down here. It's gonna be awesome. You think you two boys can handle it?
No, we cannot. It drives already. All right, guys, so we got the cage on the ground. Now we're gonna take out all the rest of the parts inside the truck.
What's going on here, Billy? Y'all warming up by the fire? Look at Thomas. Just chilling. But now we're gonna go ahead and crack all this stuff open, right?
That's right.
That's right, boys. Look at Thomas, man. Sucks that it's raining today, but hey, we got a kit car to build. So let's go ahead and start opening all this stuff up to see what it comes with.
All right, guys, so we got everything spread out on the floor right here. This is everything we got with the kit. It is pretty loud in here because it's raining right now, so I'm gonna speak up for you guys. Hopefully I don't scream too loud. So let's go ahead and start unboxing some of this stuff and see what we got. First things first, guys. I heard these are the control arms and they're powder coated. I wanna go ahead and open them up to see exactly how they look like because I'm excited to see these things.
Dude, this feels like Christmas right here. Be careful not to ruin.
Christmas is right around the corner,
and we got our Christmas presents early.
Yep. Ooh, nice and powder coated to match the frame.
Dude, that is sick.
Dang. There's another one. 2 for each side. So.
Right. I guess these may be lowers or uppers. I'm not sure just yet, but let's keep on moving. We got a lot of boxes to open up here. Now let's see what else we got. Of course, we got the fuel tank there,
yes,
which is
of course,
sick.
This is the fuel tank. This is just a metal strap, probably for the inside somewhere over the dash, it looks like. And as well as a windscreen, plexiglass windscreen. We're not gonna go ahead and open this because we don't wanna get it scratched up and stuff like that. So we're gonna leave that closed and
let's open that big box. It's heavy.
Oh, not that heavy. Let's go ahead and see what's in here.
Now keep in mind, guys, we do got the turbocharged Cobalt SS that we're gonna use.
Yep.
So this is a kit strictly for the turbo kit.
Yes, the turbo and the supercharged kits are a little bit different, but it's just your preference. If you want a supercharged one or a turbo one, depending on your donor car. We went ahead and went with the turbocharged one because we're ready to hear that thing spool.
Yep, exactly. We want that sucker to spool up and go. Intercooler.
Radiator.
Oh, that's a radiator?
Yep. This is our front mount radiator. It's gonna sit right in front over here. Right there, sideways behind here like that. It's gonna look so sick. Let's go ahead and put this back in the box so we don't damage none of these fins or anything like that. And move on to the next packages. Dang. Ooh. That is a lot of stuff right here.
A lot of goods right there, goodies.
Got some lines, got some clamps, all types of clamps right here, a lot of connections and stuff, hoses.
Got brake lines here also.
Brake lines, clutch lines, whatever the lines are for. There's just a bunch of this stuff. Man, that is all. What is it? I think this is for the fuel tank.
Yes, sir. Right, probably goes right there.
Right there, little fuel tank, hose. There's a lot of stuff, man. This is gonna be awesome.
This is gonna be an exciting build, man. I cannot wait.
So fun. What is that hole?
Good question, but we will find out. Once everything is opened up, we'll know.
Everything is nicely labeled. As you can see right here, everything is fuse box hardware, man. You can't get better than that. When you get a kit, you want everything labeled so you can find everything and quickly put it together. And this is perfect right here. DF Goblin. That is legit right there. You label everything, every package. Right, power steering hardware, man. That is sick, dude. This is gonna make the job go by so much smoother. So let's go ahead and crack open some more boxes, guys. Right here, you wanna pull one of these out?
Yeah, of course. Got a bunch of Heim joints in here, a bunch of nuts and bolts. What is this for? Let me just see. Pull something out of there. Oh, this is the front brake hardware.
This is the outer rod and hardware. So this is tie rods and stuff like that. Man, this is some awesome stuff. You got Heim joints. These things last for years, man.
Oh yeah. This car is gonna get thrown together so fast. You guys are just not gonna believe it. That's how I feel. I feel like this car is gonna get thrown together fast.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have this sucker out in the street and
just gonna
rip it, man. We're just gonna rip it. Dude, that is sick.
That is awesome. I love the color too, man. It almost matches the frame.
Almost. Yeah, I know, right? I think the turbocharged is gonna sound way better than the supercharged one.
Oh yeah. I want to see what's in here. This is probably the little, you know, plates that hold the...
Yep, that's a knuckle right there. Maybe they call it something different, but that is sick, guys.
Billet aluminum, man. This is just gonna reduce the weight.
That
is super durable,
quality.
super strong. Look at that, man.
Quality,
Look at that quality work.
quality, man.
That is awesome, dude. Feel that thing.
That is sick. This is like the perfect beginner, I guess.
I mean, this is perfect if you want to work on something in your garage, dude. You can put a car together in your garage.
Exactly.
This should be awesome, doesn't it? We're gonna show you guys everything you need to do to put this thing together. I mean, heck, we're doing it.
We're doing it. We've never done something like this, and we're gonna do it.
Yeah,
we're gonna make it happen.
So we're gonna show you guys if you're scared to buy this kit.
Oh, dude, that is sick.
Man. Got our steering wheel.
Oh yeah.
That's super light. Feel that.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about right there. That is nice. Oh, what is this? This has got to be the brakes.
Yep, definitely the 4 brakes.
Because
you don't use your stock brakes off the Cobalt.
Because those are way too much, especially
too big. Yeah,
too big. That's crazy.
Front
right
or rear, you don't need much on this car, guys, because it only weighs 1,500 pounds.
Yeah, you don't want to have that too much stopping power where it's too touchy. That's your brake setup. You got your steering wheel, so you could drift this bad boy right there.
Yeah, that's gonna be awesome, man.
And then we got, how many more boxes do we got here? These are the rotors. Let's go ahead and crack one of these rotors open.
One of the rotors.
Just one of them.
Oh,
yes, sir.
Nice
brand new rotors,
brand new.
Yo, this would be an awesome Christmas present. Imagine if all this stuff was wrapped up, even the cage, and you had it under your Christmas tree.
Yeah, imagine just getting this kit for Christmas.
So you'd be opening up packages for days.
You'd be the most, I don't know, you'd be spoiled, but then again, lucky to get a Christmas present like this, because this would be the ultimate for a car guy, you know?
Exactly.
For a car guy, enthusiast.
Project guy.
Oh, nice. The hubs and stuff.
Yes, sir. Nicely packaged. Look at that, dude. These aren't getting damaged right here. Okay, I think we got one more package here. What do we got here? This right here is going to be the solid mount, because, you know, we're going to be pushing tons of boost, and you don't want to have any issues there.
You don't want the motor flexing.
Yeah, you don't want too much flex. There's the rotors, and we got one more box here. This one's lightweight.
Let's see what it comes with. Oh,
ooh,
nice.
Bam, bam. That's gonna
look so good. We might leave these high gloss black.
Yeah, just to give it that contrast.
Just leave it this color. It's gonna look good.
Or that, yeah.
These air ducts right here.
They connect to that.
It sits on the cooler, on the oil cooler or something like that, and this just connects right there.
Because you want to stay cool as possible, because you know it's gonna be eating up your horsepowers.
Oh yeah, it's gonna cool it down a lot. So we just showed you guys everything that came with the kit, the main components, but we haven't showed you guys the car that we got. We're gonna go show you guys exactly what's good on that car, what we're gonna take out, and just basically show you what we bought, man. That thing is crushed, so let's go check it out. Right here we have our 2009 Cobalt SS turbocharged, and it is a manual 5-speed. And the reason we bought this thing is because the engine is still good. It starts, it runs, and that's all we need for that donor car. Other than a few things like the wiring harness, steering column, and stuff like that. But other than that, man, this thing is completely
dude,
torched,
it is smashed, man.
There is not one good panel on this. Even the frames, look at the frame rails.
Dude.
They are destroyed like outrageously, man. That is insane. Let me see if I can pop this hood.
Yeah, pop that hood. That's all I'm worried about right there. Look, it does look like it had an upgraded intercooler.
Sure did.
Dang, that's a fat intercooler. Whoa, that's heavy, man.
What is that?
We need some weight reduction on there.
Yeah, we got our
We're not
own,
using that, are we?
We're not using that. That is insane, though. Somebody did a little upgrade on it, but for the engine, man, that thing, dang, it's not popping.
That's her right there.
As you can see here,
dang,
she's still intact. Ecotech turbo. Man, this thing is gonna be sweet in that kit car, man.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Absolute be a beast, man. Other than that, as you can see, everything's just completely destroyed.
So yeah, this is pretty much giving you guys an idea of what it's going to take to build one of these cars. You do got to buy a donor, so
yep,
we got this one for $300, guys.
Yep, $300 for this donor. That was the winning bid. super cheap.
Very cheap, man.
But as you can see, it's completely destroyed, and it was a gamble because we didn't know if the motor started, if it was damaged or anything of that sort. But luckily
we did get it started.
Yeah, we did get it started. The guys at DF Goblin started it for us over there. So man, we're excited.
Look at that. Oh yeah, we forgot to take out the exhaust out of there. That's for the kit. That's part of the kit.
Yeah, we didn't have enough room in the truck.
The interior is pretty. Oh, it's got the nice boost gauge there, electronic.
Yeah, the 09s, some of the 09s came with the electronic boost gauge, so that's gonna look really good in our kit car.
Yeah.
We're gonna probably put it in the dash somewhere.
I mean, all we got to take is the steering column. We're not even using that steering wheel, so we don't need any bags. We don't need these seats.
Do we use the dash right here?
Yeah, we do.
Oh yeah,
we do use that cluster, which is good that we still got it.
Cluster. Do we use the seats?
No, we're gonna go with some nice racing seats.
You can use these seats though,
yes,
right?
you can, but
you can use the seats. But we're gonna probably go with some
Corbo Racing.
Corbo something.
No, they're called Corbo Racing seats.
Corbo Racing, Cobalt SS. Should we
Turbo
put this
car.
little badge on the back on the tube frame?
We might have to pop that hood, pop that trunk. It looks like a hood.
Man, this trunk is flat.
Trunk looks like a hood. It's so flat.
Oh, what's back here? Bunch
Not,
of junk.
Nothing yet. It's I don't even care for it much going through there. But as you can see, it is totally demolished, guys.
Yeah, it is. Like this guy probably flipped, guy or girl flipped like crazy in this thing.
So you just seen our beast turbocharged Cobalt SS right there, and the next step is to pretty much just rip it apart. So our main thing is to take that engine out, the steering column, the wiring harness, and all the other components that are going to be used for the kit car, and then the rest of that stuff is going to be getting scrapped. That is going to be a wrap for today's video. Be sure to stay tuned because you guys are going to see this build come to life. Not this one, but the one over there. It's just going to be absolutely amazing. Be sure to follow us on Instagram. You'll get the inside scoop there at Goon Squad before YouTube. Also, guys, be on the lookout at goonsquad.com and copy some merch and support your boys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.